Having trouble with internet on your Xiaomi or Redmi phone? This can happen because of incorrect APN settings, network errors, SIM or card issues, or old system software. No need to stress. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to fix your network and mobile data problems. Let's jump right in. Now before the actual solutions, try this one thing. Go to Settings, then tap on About Phone. In here, tap on your OS version a few times. It's usually enough to tap for about 5 to 7 times. After that, Developer Options will be enabled on your phone. Developer Options is a special setting on your phone that allows you to customize your phone like a developer, and it helps you fix some common problems. Now go back to the main settings, then scroll down. Tap on Additional Settings, scroll down again, and tap on Developer Options. Scroll down from here, and toggle on Mobile Data Always Active. After that, toggle on Tethering Hardware Acceleration. This will make your connection faster. Once this is done, close Settings and restart your phone. Once the restart is done, check your issue. If the problem persists, let's try the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Reset your mobile radio power. Open your phone dialer, dial *#* 4636 #*#. Select phone information 1 or 2 depending on the SIM you're using. This will show you your SIM details. Now toggle off mobile radio power for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. This will refresh the setting. After this, swipe down to open your phone's control center. Toggle on airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. Now restart your phone. A simple reboot can sometimes clear out temporary glitches. Once that's done, try checking your issue. Solution 2. Reset SIM card settings. Open Settings, then tap on Mobile Networks. Select your SIM card. Now here you will need to change a few settings. Select access point names. Tap Reset. After that, select your SIM carrier from here. Once the SIM is selected, go back and tap on Preferred Network Type. Select Prefer LTE if you have set this to something else. If you have already set this to LTE, select Prefer 3G. Now go back again. Tap on Select Carrier and disable Automatically Select Network from here. Once it's disabled, wait for 5 seconds and then enable it. After that, go back once again and disable and re-enable Use VoLTE. Once that is done, give your phone a restart. Now check your issue again. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to your phone settings, then tap on More Connectivity Options and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Then tap on Reset Settings. After this is done, give your phone a restart. I hope this fixes the problem for you. That's how you can solve internet issues on your Xiaomi phone. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Xiaomi tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.